Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in just 2 minutes. Science shows that when children actively engage with the world around them, maps, places, and landscapes, they develop better problem-solving skills, stronger memory, and a deeper understanding of cultures and environments. Studies in cognitive development reveal that exploring geography boosts spatial awareness, helping kids navigate not just maps but everyday life. It also enhances critical thinking as they connect places to history, climate, and people. And let's not forget, adventure fuels curiosity. Research suggests that kids who explore their surroundings become more creative thinkers and develop a stronger connection to nature. Orbital Adventures was created to engage the public with science, and inspiring kids to explore geography through storytelling is an important part of that mission. Encourage curiosity, spark a love for exploration, because understanding geography is the first step to unlocking the wonders of our world. Want your child to start their own adventure? Check out our Orbital Adventures books, where geography comes to life through exciting stories. And don't forget, tell us in the comments which mind-blowing science topic you want next.